Alrighty. We have snow! And it actually is even sticking to the roof. Like, there's actually a reasonable amount of snow up there. And it gets, 8 mils. There's an 8 mil double wall poly panel and about the same width of snow. Huh. Surprised. But heater's working. Everything's 50 degrees. This is our first snow of the year. I've got a meeting and we're actually starting to snow a little bit more here. It's not big flaky snow. It's almost kind of haily snow. So I think this is less snow, more kind of frozen rain at the moment. But, we had big flakes earlier. Ducks are enjoying things. Yesterday it started to threaten to snow a little bit, and we had a group of ducks join us, visitors. It's like snow off a duck's back, except the snow sits on their back. So yeah, they actually aren't going to be robbed and deprived of our snow this year. Nif was convinced it was never going to snow again. Worst day ever. Just kidding. Whoa. But yeah. House looks like a house. Snow's coming down. Nif just went out to go get something. She's like, didn't want to take the truck, so she took the Camry. Roads look pretty good. Should be okay. It's not cold. It's just snowing. It's probably 36. A little bit above freezing even. So the snow didn't really even start sticking to the blacktop until just a little bit ago. But it's been snowing for about an hour now. I was in a meeting. It was very distracting. I was talking to people about important things, and it's like, important things don't matter. I gotta go look at snow. Oh, yeah. Our poor chicken boys, they hate the snow because they don't have much of a place to go. We got a little overhang and a little something, but we don't really have a good spot for the boys. The layers get a little bit more cover. I keep threatening to build a porch. Hi, Mooster! Look at that big fat rooster. Hi, big fat guy. He's so pretty. Alright. Well, let's see what happens with snow on the roof of a greenhouse. Is Scott a competent builder? Well, we know the answer to that. Is Scott a competent enough builder to not have things blow up? Because I'm not competent. We know that for a fact already. But looks good so far. In fact, let's go in and check the temp. I bet you it is 52 degrees. That will be my bet. Oh. Wow, it's a different world in here. It's very weird. Oh, no, we're at 49.8. We actually got down to 48.4, so that's the lowest. Our low was 48.6 yesterday, so we're starting to dip a little bit. I'm kind of concerned about next week, because next week we're supposed to be clear and highs in the 30s with lows down in the teens. And it feels like the greenhouse is really only able to stay about 15 degrees above ambient outside. So we may need to bring in some help to heat it. I don't know what that would even look like, or I don't know. I don't think anything would freeze in there, even if it was under freezing, just because it's covered and get some goodness that way. I wouldn't frost, but it might freeze. Yeah, we're still pretty early in this bit of snow. We were supposed to get a blizzard. A blizzard this is not. And it probably won't snow for much more than an hour, and then we'll be done. So this will be it for like a week. All right, have a good one.